Hello everyone watching this video. Myself Avinash Agrawal. I am creating this video to demonstrate my latest project, Tumin, the 2-minute app. Before starting, I just want to thank the whole Microsoft FRT team for giving me this golden opportunity to work on some Azure services. So now let's start. So firstly, I want to show you my GitHub repository where all the data, code and the image files are stored. This is the README file. Let me describe you what is Tumin. So Tumin is a health tech app which is used to ease the life of people by providing various services that can be operated in just few clicks and few minutes. Now let me talk about the key features of this website. So the first one is Avinasak, the healthcare bot. This bot is created using Azure Health Bot. This can be used to perform actions like checking your BMI score, having a small diabetes check, and you can also take a small health survey. The next one is medical resources. These are basically the list of healthcare center, hospitals, etc. in your locality, so you can use it whenever required. The next feature is appointment system. You can use Tumin to book an appointment with doctors in just few clicks. The special feature is this can be used to book the appointment with your preferred day and time slot. The next feature is a scheme. A scheme is basically the list of programs run by various NGOs, organizations to help many of the poor people so as to fulfill their medical treatment. The next section is personal data. Personal data is basically the storage given to you to store your medical files, the reports and various medical data so as to fetch it out whenever required. Now it's time to talk about the tech stack of my website. So this website basically is built over using MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js, Bootstrap, which make it responsive, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Other than that, I have used various Azure technologies like Azure Static Web Apps to host this website, bot service to create the Avinasak bot, and Azure Storage to add up my files, images which are used in this project. Thereafter, I have provided some of the description of Azure services I have used, and also I have added some screenshot. You can read it out. The description, the link of this repo will be in description. Now it's time to move on to the Azure portal. So here in the Azure portal, I firstly want to show you the resource group I have created to build this project. So basically the last one, Tumin hosting purpose, this one is created to host the website. That is, this one is an app service resource. And other than that, I have created doorstep doctor, which basically holds all of the data, and also the health bot. The health bot I have named as primary project 1. Now I will be navigating you to the management portal. I have opened it already. So here in the management portal, all the bots I am using are basically present, and also Avinasak the iBot that I have made by adding it all. And let me now show you the steps involved in this bot. So steps are basically the task that this bot is performing. It might be some questions or some redirections. These are some tasks that my bot is performing. It has some different sections. Okay, so this was all about my portal. Now it's time to navigate you to the main website. So as soon as you will get into my website, the first one will be the sign in page. If you already have ID, you can sign in or you can create one. Here I am doing a guest login so as to move on this video. So yeah, here the guest login is performed. It will take you to the main page, and the primary page, the first section is of Avinasak the AI bot. You can click here and the website will be redirected to the bot. Click on continue to start your bot. Thereafter you will be provided two services. Either you can have your diabetes check or you can take a health survey. Let me go with the first one. Thereafter let's continue to start the diabetes bot. Now it will be asking you few questions that you need to answer to get your diabetes prediction. I am filling out some random values so as to move forward this video. Okay, so the next question is here. I am just filling out the first value of each question. So these questions are basically used to process the data and give you the output As soon as I will fill all the data, the output will be demonstrated like this. So it basically says that you have moderate chance of getting a diabetes in next 10 years. Also, you can take this help bot to have your health survey. I'm not doing it here because it will take some time. Now the next feature is appointment. You can click on this link and you will be redirected to appointment page. You need to fill out all these data and click on register. After you will click on register, your appointment will be listed out here. It is empty currently because I haven't added any appointment yet. Now coming back to the home page, the next feature is the scheme. Schemes are basically the list of all the NGO programs and organizations program. This is basically the links that you will navigate you to the main page. You can click anyone that you require. The next one is personal data. So as I talked, personal data is basically the medical data of yours stored here. You can fetch it up wherever required. Here are prescribed medicine, deficiency, allergy. These are basically the dummy data that I have filled out, but this will be filled by you only. Now the next is appointment. As I shown you, this is the appointment form. Going back to the home page, here are our services like the AI bot, appointment system, and personal data. Also, there is some dummy data like these connected hospitals. It will be added up whenever we will connect with any hospital. These are testimonials. Again, this is dummy data which I have filled it up. So yeah, this was all about my website Tumin. Now let me log out from it. As soon as you will click on logout, you will be directed to the home page. You can either sign up clicking over here or log in again if you want to. So thanks everyone watching this video. This was all about from my FRT project Tumin. A special thanks again to my FRT team for helping me out and providing me the platform to learn some new SEO technologies. Thank you everyone.